Hi, I'm Mindy Sylvester. Welcome to Lamorada in Naples, Florida. Lamorada is a beautiful resort-style community in North Naples, encompassing over 200 acres, including 48 acres of lakes. Lamorada offers carriage homes and single-family homes with over 30 floor plans in all sizes and price ranges to choose from. Lamorada features resort-style amenities such as a 13,700 square foot lakeside clubhouse, resort-style pool, outdoor poolside bar, spa room, tennis courts, fitness center, movie theater room, spa treatment room, culinary art studio, and more. La Mirada residents enjoy such as events such as yoga classes, movie nights, Sunday brunch, cooking classes, and more. Contact me today for more information on La Mirada Homes for Sale.